Are your message notification sounds not working on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on notifications to stay updated. Don't worry, this guide will show you effective solutions to fix the message notification sound not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before you start, make sure to turn off low power mode. Turn off do not disturb. Turn off silent mode. Now, back to the main process. Solution 1, check volume and sound settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptic, enable Change with button and turn up the volume all the way to high. Scroll down, select Text Tone, set another tone and see if that works or not. Solution 2, check in App Settings, open Settings, scroll down, tap Notification, scroll down, find out Message Apps, scroll down, tap Sounds. Make sure to select a text tone from here as well. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3, update iOS. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest software version. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update and check if an update is available. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. If there is no software update, then follow the last process. Solution, reset all settings. If none of the above steps work, resetting settings may fix the issue. Open Settings and tap General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers, but won't delete your data. Test the message notification sounds again after the reset. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the message notification sound issue on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.